So with the CRA My Business account, you can access a lot of services like managing your CRA messages and audits, filing a GST/HST return, managing your payroll, filing a corporation income tax, and much more. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to register for CRA My Business account in just 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, the first step is to go to canada.ca/my-CRA-business account. I'm gonna leave this link in the description as well. As you can see, it says employees and representatives can access an account on behalf of their employees or clients, and business owners can access their GST/HST, payroll, corporation income taxes, and other accounts online. If you need more information, make sure to scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page and go to About My Business account, where you can see the details and requirements and spend enough time and read them. But of course, I already went through this process before, so I'm just gonna scroll and click on CRA register. First, you're gonna need to enter your SIN number. Next, enter your postal code, date of birth, and a very specific tax question, which is enter the amount on line 100 of your last return. You must use your copy of the return for the tax year specified. Enter the dollar amount of the line specified. This must be amount you calculated and enter on your return. If the amount that you calculated is negative, enter the value with a minus sign. For example, enter -200 as -200. If the amount is 0, enter it as 0. When you enter the amount, do not use commas, spaces, or cents, so just enter the dollar amount here. So I'll enter my information and click on next. Alright, the next step has information about the CRA security code notification. So if you need to update your address or direct deposit information, or if you need to use other services, you'll need to enter the security code and verify it first. As you can see, it says as a security measure, we will mail your CRA security code to your address and you should receive it within 10 days. So let's go ahead and click on next. Alright, the next page says once you've completed this process, we are gonna send you a security code, and then it says to confirm our current postal code. So double check, and once you make sure that your postal code is correct, then go ahead and click on next. Now it's asking us to create a CRA user ID and password. So make sure to choose a difficult ID and password. As you can see, it says avoid using personal information like your name, SIN number, or email address in your user ID. Personally, I've been using a password manager app for more than I think 6 or 7 years to save and manage my I think over 100 passwords, and I highly recommend it. So I'm just gonna enter my username and password and click on next. Alright, the next step is to create security questions and answers. So as you can see, you have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 security questions, which is a little bit too much, but that's fine. Here is a list of security question suggestions that might be helpful, so you can get some ideas for your questions. So once you have done, then click on next. So I just skipped a few unnecessary pages like terms and conditions and phone number verification as a two-factor authentication. Now I'm at this page where it says enter your business number notification to complete your registration process for My Business account. You'll be asked to enter your CRA security code during your next login, and you won't be able to access My Business account until you have completed this process. So let's go ahead and click on continue. Alright, that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully created CRA My Business account, and now you just have to wait for the security code to arrive and verify your account. CRA says it takes 10 days, but personally for me it took only 3 days to receive my security code, and hopefully I verified my account and I can show you guys exactly how it works. Now this is my business account dashboard, and here you can go to your mails and view the new mails from CRA like your GST/HST return, notice of assessment. Next we have the submit document section where you can submit any kind of document CRA asks for and view your submission history. We have the profile section where we can manage our address, manage notification preferences, manage your direct deposit, business numbers, operating names or business names, phone numbers, and security options. If you have registered for any program like GST/HST account, we can select it from the left side, and as you can see, for instance, here we have the GST/HST, and when I click on on it, I access all kinds of business services. For example, here I can file a GST HST return. I can view my previous GST HST returns for the previous years. I can request to close my account and much more. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment below and I'll try my best to help you out. Now make sure to watch one of these videos next because you don't want to miss them. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.